Thank you for clicking this thumbnail and coming to watching this video. I am Miss Khan and today I'm gonna talk about how to improve your communication skills. Okay? I know very well there's a lots of videos already available on YouTube. You can watch, you have already watched these kind of videos. But here I'm gonna talk in my own example what I have observed, those kind of thing which is really require for improvement. Like might be most of the people they don't care about this kind of stuff which is really important. This thing I'm gonna share. Number 1, listen and react. Okay, actually most of the time it's happened like you started to share, like if any single person they talk to you, they tell something excitement thing, he want to share their own story, yes, something excitement kind of story or something memories he want to share his, okay, and he tell you something and you just listen properly. You feel that okay, I know, everyone they know very easily that okay, listening and speaking, those who good listener, who very good speaker, that they know, but they don't know that listen with react, that's also important. Like if anyone talk to you, okay, suppose if anyone talk to me and they are very frankly they share their ideas or something they want to express, okay, and I'm only just listen. And of course I have to make myself proper, like I have to just I'm a good listener, so I have to give only listen. So it's absolutely wrong. Okay, if anyone share you their like excitement, something they express you, so just not listen only, just react also at that time. Like suppose they will talk to you, do you know I went to Delhi, there I have enjoyed a lot. So then you not give a pause only, just react at that time. Okay, really, you visited there, how's that place? Okay, so means you have to just show their action. You should reply as a react also, because sometimes people they're conscious about listening only, they thought okay, I'm only listen and I'm very good listener. That is absolutely wrong. Listen with react, that is really fine. Like suppose you will just feel okay, if people they will try to share something, okay, if suppose you want to express something, okay, and you only listen, so then second partner what he feels that okay, no, might be you are you don't interested to listen, talk to me, that's the reason you not react. Okay, sometimes it's happen like I'm gonna talk to something with others and what is happening that second partner is already not wanted to interested, so this is really very wrong. Okay, if suppose I'm ready for sharing my all story and that person they not react anything, he only listen, so that is quite boring. Okay, he don't want to talk to you, means he don't react anything, so it means he not interested in my conversation, okay, with my conversation. So it's quite irritating. We feel okay, why I'm just show my excitement with him. Okay, so it's quite like you're not comfortable with that person, so at that point is really important. This is also lacking of communication. Like communication is not okay. Most of the people say you should be a good listener. Listener is okay, of course listening is important, but with listening react also. Okay, number 2, tone and smile. Actually what is happening in normally I have observed this thing, like if you just talk to someone, so what is a different tone, like if you just talk to someone, so there is the same kind of tone, like same way they talk, there is a not up down their voice, volume are equal, even you speak excitement conversation is still the volume is same, and if you just sad kind of emotions is still your volume is same. So like you can't change your volume according to the situation. So I feel that okay, if you show your communicate, if you communicate to someone, so I think we should have excitement in different volume also. Our tone should be changed. Like suppose I'm just talking to you, okay, my voice tone might be you can't get a similar, like you're ready for talking to someone and I'm ready for talking to you, my voice is not like that. I'm ready for excitement. If I'm just show my excitement, like I'm show my happiness, of course my happiness is quite like louder, and if I'm just speaking as slowly, like my sadness kind of emotion, so of course I will share, no, that is very bad, I have to understand. Like you feel that what I exactly want to say. So when you're the owner of your smile, then no one can make you cry without your permission, so keep smiling. and that's absolutely true also. I like this thought quote, so I feel okay I have to share you all also. And so smile is really very important. If you're ready for share something, and if you don't have a smile, even a GD run or any kind of competition, you're ready for sharing or telling with the teacher, with anywhere. If you have a smile, so somehow it's complete our conversation. If you engage with somebody, especially you're ready for communicate with strangers also. So if you have a smile, so it's complete our conversation. Everything is okay. You can manage. I feel that okay, without a smile, everything is missing. I feel uncomfortable if I don't have a smile in my face. Okay. Thank you so much for watching me today. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Bye. Jai Shri Ram.